Reiki healing infused with Switchword. This Reiki healing is to manifest all your desires, anything and everything. This Switchword is going to help you in manifesting whatever it is that you want to manifest at the moment in your life. So maybe after 2 months, 3 months, you play this video and you have something else going on in your mind. The same Reiki healing video will help you because the switch word is so powerful. It is called a master switch word, and we will be chanting this switch word if you feel like. And the switch word is together, 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 together. You can say it in your mind. You can write down in the things like a bottle, water bottle, on your phone, as a phone cover, anything. So let's chant together to manifest all our desires. Together. And this Reiki healing and switch word is going to materialize so wonderfully, so beautifully, that whatever it is that your heart is desiring, you will see the results come quicker for you. Don't stop. Say it. Together, 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 together. If you are not aware about switchwords, switchwords switches on that switch in your subconscious. Instead of saying a longer version of affirmation, when you say a small word, it switches on something into your subconscious so beautifully, which helps you manifest your desire. So it is going to work wonderfully, and the word is together. Together. Whether it is a money issue, financial problems, love life, work life balance, this is a beautiful manifesting switch word to say it continuously. Together. Please don't stop. Keep saying it with me. Together. Together. If you don't feel like saying it, just receive this healing on a continuous basis. I'm going to start a whole series of switch word and Reiki infuse with, of course, beautiful crystals. So when we are combining switch word, Reiki and wonderful master symbols and crystals, the result is going to multiply. The result is going to be quicker, faster, and more efficient for you. So just say it together, 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 together. It feels, the moment it feels like rhythmatic, like a song, it is going to subconscious more nicely and more fastly. Remember how we can remember whole songs when we were little, but we could not remember difficult things in our school? The more you make it rhythmatic, musically, something connects to your brain. We all love this music, that sound healing waves. So when you say it together, 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 whichever way you want to say it, together, 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 together. It becomes that infinite word. Together, 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 together. Please disregard this voice which just came. Together, 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 together. And once you say it so many times, it becomes a rhythm. Every time you are thinking about your desire, you can keep saying this word together. Let's use another master crystal. Together, 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 together. How does it feel? How did you like it? Let me know in the comments what other things, what are the other switch words you know yourself and you want me to combine it with Reiki, you want me to combine with crystals. We can even add our symbols, which I love, and I know so many of you love this one. When I add into my Reiki healing, I always get these comments. Please do it more. So let's do this together, 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 together. We can smile, we can dance, you can just record your own voice in together and keep listening to it while you are sleeping, before you go to sleep, so that it activates more. Together, 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 together. If you have small kids in the house, you can make it as a fun game where you keep saying non-stop together, 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 together. If you are into singing, that would be so amazing. Just record your voice. Do not worry if you are not singer like me. I'm not a singer. Using my own voice and I'm just enjoying it. The more you enjoy, the more you are into that vibration, the more you are into that feeling, it would work for you. Together, 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 together. Now play this video daily for maximum benefits. I will be bringing more switchword videos. Let me know in the comments how did you like it. Do you want me to bring any changes, to do something differently? I am always up for it. Thank you so much. I love reading your comments. So please write them down in the comments below. Thank you so much. Together, 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 together. Thank you.